Vanilla Valheim does not respect a father's time. I love this game, but I have a job. I have kids. I cannot spend 4 hours sailing copper back and forth just to realize I'm 3 bars short. If you are playing on default settings, you aren't playing hardcore. You're just wasting 1 hour a night you could actually have to yourself. Today we delete the grind. I'm going to show you how to set up a dedicated dad server for free. Most people rent servers for $15 a month. Don't do that. You have an old laptop? You have a server. We're going to do this the sysadmin way. No manual updates, no editing default files. We're writing a single script that manages the whole thing. All right, the first thing that we're going to do, it's going to be done in 60 seconds, so don't blink. We're going to go to our browser and we're going to type in steamcmd download. It's going to bring this up. You can click on the first one, that's fine. We're going to go to your specific operating system. Most of you have Windows. Click that. It's going to grab this particular link right here. We're going to grab that. We're going to download it. Go into our downloads folder. Double click. Then what we're going to do, we're going to create a new folder on our C drive. We're going to call this steamcmd. Double click that. Then we're going to extract this particular, or just copy that particular thing right there. Now we're done with this. We've got this folder. We're going to double click that. It's going to download everything. Grab a cup of coffee. When it's done, you're installed. So we're going to type login anonymous. Then we're going to update or /download the application. And again, wait for this to download and you have installed Valheim server. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a text file in our steamcmd folder. Right click, new, text document. We're going to name this dad server start. And we're going to change the extension from a .txt to a .bat. It's going to ask us, yep, that's fine. I want to then edit this file. And I have Notepad++, you can do it in Notepad just fine. And you're going to paste this script that I will have in the description below onto your dadserverstart.bat. And as this goes, it's showing you what this is going to do is it's going to log in to steamcmd anonymously. It's going to update Valheim so you never have to worry about keeping it updated. It's going to quit that. Then it's actually going to start and launch your Valheim server. And we're going to do a few different things to make the dad server a whole lot better. So we've added some modifiers. The first one I want to bring your attention to, the modify resources much more. This allows you to gather resources a heck of a lot more efficiently. It increases the amount of resources dropped every time you mine a copper mine or chop a tree. Next modifier I want to look at, portals casual. What this does is it allows you to move ore through portals. Normally you wouldn't be able to do that. But again, this is dad server. We're trying to save time, not sail in the ocean for 3 hours just to move a couple of bars. The last modifier I want to suggest is the no raids. What this is going to do is it's going to stop any raids from happening on the bases that you build. If you've got kids like I do, and you're trying to show them how to build a base, meanwhile, you've got trolls raiding the base that they just built, a lot of tears are about to happen, and this prevents that. Not to mention, if they play the server while you're at work, this makes sure that you don't have to worry about that base that you spent hours building the night before gets destroyed. Next, we're going to save the file. We're going to right click on it. And we're going to send to desktop, creating a shortcut. Now here it is. Double click that, and it automatically starts it, automatically updates it, and then starts that server that you set up. This isn't cheating. This is balancing your game for adulthood. Now you can actually enjoy Ashlands without it being 2030. And for the paranoid dads asking about backups, you don't need a script. Valheim automatically saves 4 backups for you in the folder. The game actually has your back on this one. We didn't do this to become hackers. We did this so that when your kids ask to play, you don't have to say, wait for the update, or Dad needs to farm wood for an hour first. You built a world that fits your schedule. Now go build something cool with your family. If you want more guides to fit massive games into a dad's schedule, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.